Want to brain better? Unlike ordinary memory supplements, Nariva has clinically proven ingredients that fuel 5 indicators of brain performance: memory, focus, accuracy, learning, and concentration. Try Nariva for 30 days and see the difference. Where does your almond milk come from?
Almond wheat starts here with our almond trees in our Blue Diamond Orchard in California. My parents' job is to look after them. It is my job to test the product.
The best almonds make the best almond milk. Blue Diamond Almond Breeze. Saturdays happen. Pain happens. Aleve. Aleve is proven stronger and longer on pain than Tylenol. When pain happens, Aleve it. All day strong. This is gonna be America's favorite breakfast. They just don't know it yet. These are a few of my favorite breakfasts. Wendy's is changing the game from this to a breakfast that eats other breakfasts for breakfast. Who says you can't have a Baconator for breakfast? Don't just grab a coffee. Grab a Frosty Chino instead. And forget that frozen folded egg stuff. All of these have fresh cracked eggs. One bite and it'll be your new favorite. Guaranteed. Try your new favorite today. Well, in the library. Order by 10 a.m.
Welcome back to GMA, coming to you live from Mamaroneck, New York, in the middle of a nor'easter where the greater impacts are eastern parts of New England, where high wind warnings are posted because you winds gust to 60 miles an hour on the Cape, maybe 50 in Boston, the rain swirling into the New York City area. Coming up on GMA, Chef Michael Simon has our Friday fix with great meals for the week.
Here's another home ready to get Window World windows, and this is why they chose us.
Window World is America's #1 replacement window company. And since we sell so many windows, we can beat anybody's prices. Our windows are made right here in the USA. Energy Star rated, backed by the Good Housekeeping seal, with a lifetime transferable warranty, including glass breakage. At Window World, not only do we stand behind our windows,
We stand on them.
call us now for your free in-home estimate.
Window World, simply the best for less.
Crossing the street shouldn't be so dangerous, but it is. Pedestrian accidents cause serious injuries. That's why we fight to help injured pedestrians every day. Fighting and winning for injured people for more than 25 years. That's the strong arm.
At Planet Fitness, we know staying active is important. So now, we're bringing the workout to you. With free home workouts on Facebook Live every day for everyone. Let's work in together. Planet Fitness. United, we move.
A spot into the top. What?
Find out who makes it to America's Vote. This is everything I want right now. And get ready for the biggest twist in Idol history.
Oh my God.
American Idol, new Sunday on ABC.
Live, local, late breaking. This is Channel 2 Action News this morning. Coverage you can count on.
It is Friday morning. It is 7:56. Good morning. I'm Linda Silver.
Good morning to you. I'm Clint Blankenship. To find out better news going on I-75, Mark Hammond standing by with triple team traffic. Mark.
Front Grid all lanes blocked for over 10 minutes to clear crash 75 northbound at Windy Hill Road, but the better news is live on Traffic Tracker 2. Can't even tell there was a red alert. Everything open, flashing lights have cleared. That's 75 northbound at Windy Hill Road. Your southbound ride on 75 delay free and from Ackworth, Kennesaw, and Marietta. I'm Mark Harriman, triple team traffic, Channel 2 Action News this morning.
You can see on that traffic camera, it's nice and sunny. Meteorologist Brad Nitz joins us live with the Friday forecast into the weekend, Brad.
Yeah, good morning. It's cool this morning, but with that sunshine, we're going to warm up quickly. Temperatures now range from the low 50s in the city into the 30s in parts of far north Georgia. Most of the area outside the perimeter in the 40s, but look where we're headed. 73. 69 is our average high this time of year, so it'll be 4 degrees above that with mostly sunny sky. And your 5-day forecast for the weekend always a view. Lows in the 50s, highs in the mid-70s this weekend. A little more cloud cover, but dry. Our next chance of rain, some scattered showers and thunderstorms that return on Tuesday.
Fred, thank you. Starting tonight at 6, a new measure goes into effect to stop the spread of coronavirus. The entire state of Georgia will have to shelter in place. The governor's order overrides anything from a county or city, where some have closed parks or established curfews. You can get outside to exercise, go to the store, pharmacies, and work. Restaurants can still serve takeout and drive-through orders. Well, that order will last through April 13th at least. It could be extended beyond that.
Thank you so much for joining us on this Friday morning. We'll see you right back here in 30 minutes when we bring you another live update.
Once open, you can stream Channel 2 Action News on WSB Now. It's free on Roku, Amazon Fire, Apple TV. See you in a few.
This local break has been brought to you by WellStar Health System. WellStar is helping Georgia fight COVID-19. For health tips and updates, visit wellstar.org.
I'm Wendy Corona. Here's the latest on the coronavirus in Georgia. The governor announces a statewide shelter-in-place order. Go to WSBTV.com for the newest information. Georgia schools have also been ordered to stay closed. Now students must finish this year's classes online. The National Guard rolls in to sanitize local nursing homes and provide special training to caregivers. Channel 2 Action News, committed to bringing you information you can trust every day.
We're jam-packed with inventory, and that means bigger savings.